my first question is, what is the goal of North Cap University, and what values does a student gain while studying in your university, sir?
Okay. See, the North Cap University is one of the premier universities in this region of the country. So we were first established as an engineering school in 1996. Now this is the 25th year of establishment. Then we have converted ourselves into a university and an autonomous institution, and now a private university of Government of Haryana. And the credentials of North Cap University very clearly say that we are the number one private university in engineering. Even in all rankings and all, we are the number one in Haryana. And if I say the value, the first and foremost thing in North Cap University is the discipline. So the students will be nurtured to become a better individuals when they are in the university. So that will give them a lot of dividend in life, throughout their life. This is number one. The number two is, we actually, when we admit student, will try to keep track of his strengths in the form of a portfolio. Then we try to complement and integrate his strength in the curriculum so that he can do whatever he likes, and also he can study whatever the program he has joined. So many a times what happens now, the parents will try to put the child in some program where he might not have interest.
Right.
So that also will take care to promote his interest along with the study of the program. So this is the, I think, unique feature which we have integrated in our routine in the North Cap University.
Sir, this is a really innovative step and a really innovative idea.
The idea is, what we do is, the portfolio we create for each and every student through a mentor. So the day he gets admitted, now he will be, a mentor will be provided, and a portfolio will be created where he can always capture what is that his strength so far up to 12th standard. Then once we come to know, yes, he is good in, see, he is an engineering student, but he is very good in writing some quiz, or he is very good in some other dramatics and other things, no? And some credits will earmark to develop that particular talent. So when he comes over here and studies engineering, he will notice that yes, his strength is also taken care by giving due credit to that in his curriculum. So that makes him to study properly, and definitely he will be much better than what he will be, or what he would be when he is studying engineering alone. So this is the actual, the North Cap University has taken care. See, this is also now in new education or national education policy 2020 has accommodated all these things, but we are practicing these things from 2017 only. So switching over to the new education policy is not at all a problem for national education. I mean the North Cap University. So this is my take. Why students should prefer North Cap University? I am talking about, even though we are a renowned engineering institution, we have other faculties also, law and management, which are coming up now, and we are practicing the same thing there also. So I hope that day by day, year after year, our strength is increasing, and more students are joining those programs, and we have diversified also now.
Right, sir. So, sir, being the head of North Cap University, what is your philosophy of leadership? How do you define leadership?
See, now the leadership is that I should facilitate rather than how to get the things done for the university. First, I should define what is expected, and then I should facilitate the people who are around me. They might be stakeholders like students, they might be faculty, they might be my own administrative staff, whoever it is. So first they should know what is expected from them, and then they should be told that yes, I am here to complement your efforts, and these are the things that we are going to do, and we expect you to reciprocate. So taking everybody on the board, that is philosophy as a head of the institution. So that is how that has paid very rich dividend, not only in North Cap University, but also wherever I was there as a Director General and also Director at Pandit Deendayal Petroleum University, Ahmedabad before this. So there also actually I have built that university, and now it has a Category 1 university within 10 years. I hope I am going to do it for North Cap also in the days to come.
Right, sir. Sure. I hope you will do. So, sir, let's talk about the curriculum of North Cap University. So, the next question will be, how does the curriculum of North Cap University ensures the best practice of industry?
Okay. See, recently, this is a very good question. Recently, actually, what I do is I initiate the feedback survey from the students and also stakeholders like industry who they come for placement, and then general public every year about the visibility of the university in this region. So in that survey, I will tell you some good points of that survey. So we actually, the first thing is the curriculum is good. The industry is satisfied with the curriculum, but the delivery of the curriculum we had to improve. So what we have done now, we are actually, the curriculum is very good curriculum. It can be comparable to any premium university or the institute of the country. So that is the survey outcome. And then we have to have such people in the university so that the delivery we can improve upon. Say we are at 80-85%, we have to go for 100% because my vision is to become known internationally and one of the premium university of the country. So for that we are going to do that. So curriculum, how we come across curriculum, not only see we have our own board, academic council and other things as other universities having, but the uniqueness of North Cap University is we understand to move up, you have to skill up. So this particular thing we have understood, and in the constant touch with the industry and other things, we are doing the modification of the curriculum. But the next dimension, we have added the dimension from 3 years back is not only skilling, but also to manage and develop yourself holistically so that whenever there is a stress on you, how to manage that. So we have here tinkering lab for your own ideas, to play with the ideas, and also we have a thought laboratory that is unique, not only in North India. I think now one more university has started in South, but ours is the unique laboratory. We have thought laboratory where we teach students how to overcome the stress. So that is how that curriculum is not only a curriculum inside the classroom, but all learning outside the classroom is also taken care. And we want to take the parents and also students on board. So that is paying also and paid rich dividends to the university.
This is indeed need of an answer. That I will just said that apart from curriculums, stress management skills that needs to be inculcated in students, especially engineering and other sectors. Sir, you just said that your goal is to take North Cap University among the premier universities all over India. You wanted to recognize all over internationally. Sir, how your university could be more welcoming to students coming from different castes and different backgrounds?
So that is, now I think 3 pillars of our universities. One is diversity, another is talent, okay, and another is quality. So I think I have described you about quality. Now you are talking to me about diversity. Am I audible? Yes. So
yes,
we are talking about diversity. Recently, the first thing is we have achieved one, that we are a known university in this region. We are a renowned university in this region. Now, to become a premium university international alone, that is not enough. So now we are going, we are going and outreaching. Our outreach activities has been now taken care. It is the focus now, and we have one office here called as Office of International Relationship we have established. and through that we are doing lot of digital and also the marketing exercises, where see, marketing means it is not only telling these are the programs we are not that. What is the uniqueness of the university and what are the achievements and also what are that we have done so far. So these are all things that we are going to canvas and also brand and also market our own vision and mission, so that it will not only help the students of this region, but the entire country in the first place and also international. See, other thing is not only that they have to come and study. That is not our objective. Our objective is to see that whatever good things we have, everybody should learn from us, and also we should learn from everybody. This is the actual policy. So we have a lot of MOUs with the best known universities abroad, and they come here and teach. Our students also go there. The routine activities is there, but the philosophy is how much you download, and you should be able to upload also. So we are working in that direction.
Right, sir. Sir, I request you to please shift your camera towards slightly right so that we are completely visible.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Much better, sir. Much better.
Okay.
All right. So, sir, when you first came to North Cap University, what was your first vision towards North Cap University, and how has it evolved over the time?
See, 2017, maybe I can say I came here in 2017. These years, not 2015 onwards, not only for North Cap University, let me say in general, after 2015, there is a total change, sea change, I can say, in the education. So, when I came to North Cap University main focus was engineering. So, they were already a brand here. I should say that they were already a brand in engineering. And they require fine tuning to adopt or to integrate the holistic learning. That was the requirement at that particular time. And there were different faculties to see that the interdisciplinary work would happen in the university. They will not be there only for that particular program, or there were baskets, actually developed baskets, that is good, but interaction between those two faculties or those two baskets were not happening as it should have happened. So now my focus was to see that the faculty and the management would shift their focus a little bit to adopt these holistic activities and then move forward to remain always ahead of the curve. So this is what we had done. In that process, we have established several centers of excellence inside the university and skill up, move up. So we have skill centers also in the university and lot of MOUs with the industry and also the other organizations where we can learn. So now things are going on.
Right, right. So we have seen that the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. So in your experience, what can a student gain from studying in your university?
Can you repeat the question?
Sure. Sir, the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently, sir. So in your experience, what do you think a student can learn studying in your university and how it can be common with other things?
Okay. I see you are talking me about the global citizen. See how our university can help individual to become a global citizen. This is what you are talking. Right, this is what I was telling you. We are actually the system in foreign universities. Most of the foreign universities is they can accommodate people from various specializations together, and they can develop a holistic program. See, in India, it was not there earlier. Now, I think in the last decade, 4-5 years, I think there is a awareness about developing the students holistically rather than a specialized person. So this we had taken care of properly in North Cap University, and in the days to come, I can say that about 45% of the credits in the program will go for this holistical development in the days to come. And our university is the front runner because it has already adopted, and now things change. The things to change is very limited, and we have already adopted the new education policy. So we are one of the universities where the things can happen smoothly regarding this new education policy. New education policy is already, the flexibility option. These are the two things which is given in the new education policy, and we are ready to adopt the option and flexibility. Only thing is we are looking at this the central controlling bodies or then statutory bodies to also adopt these changes after this policy, so that we can work without any hindrance. I think this is how we are already at it, to develop a holistic individual students and who can adopt himself in any part of the globe.
Right. So North Cap University has already been practicing such practicing those advantages which NEP is imposing now. So it will not be a difficult task for North Cap University to go through that process and to make changes. There are very slight changes to be made.
Yes. See, I have told you also, we are the one who are already practicing thought lab. I think thought lab concept is not there. Now only people started doing it. So the conflict of resolution conflict and everything, how to resolve conflict among oneself and all. So these are all things that which will enable our student to be different than an ordinary degree holder where he studies only specialized subjects.
Right, sir. Right. So, sir, my next question will be, what do you think should be university's top priority over the next 10 years? Or like 10 years or 5 years?
See, the next 5 years, the priority is, as I already told you, that is our mission also, and also vision, to become the first 50 in the NIRF ranking. Now we are in 110.
Okay.
So now I want to become within 50 next 5 years. Within 50 means for that whatever the action items that has to be taken. So we are coming from 178 to 107 in 3-4 years. The meaning is that we are going in the right direction. And now we have coupled with this holistic development and integration of modules, and also the distance learning introduction of we want to go for certification and distance learning program, and then create our own modules, and to see that the university get visibility, and then to adopt international students also. So these are some of the things that require focus in these 4-5 years, so that we can achieve a good ranking within 50 in the days to come. We understand that all other universities are also trying very hard to improve their rankings and standings. Now, of course, that is a healthy combination. It will always be there, and we will take up. And the best part is, we are known for discipline, we are known for cleanliness, and also always we are ranked in all the rankings of Government of India. NIRF ranking, RER ranking, we are Brand A University 6 to 25. There also, next time, I think we are having a lot of innovation. Our university itself is an innovation center empaneled by Government of India, and a lot of activities are going on. And now we reflect our education through startup in coming years.
Right, sir. Right. Sir, what would you like people to know more about the university, which they might not know?
See, I think I have to say here, we started as an ITM Engineering College, and then ITM Autonomous University. Now we are North Cap University. Still, the reason of our survey, always we existed almost 20 years as ITM. Now we have changed as North Cap University. So this ITM and North Cap, this is one message. Yes, the ITM itself is North Cap University. It is rebranded as North Cap. This is number one. Number two is, if you want to get a learning up to your liking and also the strength, you want the hand holding and the best technical training, you can opt for the North Cap University, as all these modules are imbibed in our curriculum. This is the message that I want to give to everybody.
So this interview has already answered my one question that was left, that how North Cap University is different from all other universities. But you have already answered that you have hot labs, you are focusing on student strength, you are focusing on making a proper record of a student about his strength and as per his liking, and you're already following some points of NEP that is coming. So that automatically separates North Cap University from other universities that are in practice right now. So thank you so much, sir, for your precious views on thoughts of education. I hope students will get benefit from this interview and from your points of views.
So for your information, I just wanted to mention here, because we could not, you didn't ask me any question regard the post-pandemic. What is that we had done? So we switched over from March online, and we have conducted an online proctor's examination, and it was received very well by students. 97 to 98% of the students have attended online examination, and we have given chance to them if they have challenges in having internet connection and other things later. So students and also the parents, they were very happy with the university for not losing time and carry on with this. This was possible because we had that experience earlier. We did not have pandemic experience, but we used to have this experience of about 20% of our courses we used to have online, and also the MOOC and other things that helped us. Now we are asking Government of Haryana, or we are requesting Government of Haryana to permit us for the learning what we had done all these 2-3 years in online mode. I think we will be one of the premium university who can give online education to the state and then reach all parts of Haryana to the, and even in North, there's new education policy thing is from 20 to 50% now. You have to have that, what is that, the ratio now, you have to increase from 20%, higher education 20% to 50%. I think for the state of Haryana, North Cap University is one university which is willing to take up this challenge and can deliver the result.
That's
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. It was a very important point. I'm sorry I missed that, but thank you so much for mentioning this point and letting people know more about North Cap University and the curriculum. I hope students will get benefit from this interview, from your points, and from your views from North Cap University and the overall education system of India. So I hope other universities will also learn these positive points from North Cap University, and I hope I wish you all the best for North Cap University, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.